Today is Friday, January 10th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. We have a major winter storm unfolding. Yeah, it's time for the weekend, but we got to get through this major winter storm first. And we have widespread heavy snow and ice stretching from northeastern Texas all the way across, as far east as northern Georgia, the Carolinas, and parts of Virginia. A major winter storm really far south for any year. Any time of the year, certainly. We are very much in the dead of winter here with the winter storm warnings in effect through a huge part of the middle of the country. South of that, it's just rain, even a couple embedded thunderstorms. To the north, with a cold front coming in, we got some light snow across the Great Lakes and portions of the Midwest. That's where we're going to start our journey around the country. Some light snow falling today in Grand Rapids. Looks like accumulations through Michigan, northern Indiana, Ohio, generally about 1 to 3 inches. Locally, a couple of higher amounts, maybe 4 inches here and there. Temperatures not as cold as they were just a few days ago, upper 20s to around 30. Just about that, near 30 in Cincy today with some light snow falling. We got a little bit steadier snow falling around Louisville. The heaviest swath of snow falls across central Tennessee today. Winter storm warnings for over 6 inches of snow expected in some of these areas. Temperatures peaking just above the freezing mark. We are going to see temperatures that are pretty seasonable here through the weekend in the Midwest, but it once again turns a little bit colder here early next week, probably on Tuesday. You see that same trend playing out in Chicago. A cold front, another blast of cold air coming in, and that arrives and settles over the Great Lakes on Tuesday. Down in the southeast, a high of just 37 today in Charlotte with snow falling and difficult travel. We got some wintry weather around and especially just north of Atlanta today. Rain for Charleston, a couple of scattered rain showers possible late today in Savannah as well. Most of that stays off to your north. We got 64 and rain in New Orleans. That's like winter coat weather down there. 39 with some snow exiting this morning out there in Dallas. 70s down the Florida Peninsula, but barely. It is chilly all the way down to Miami. So temperatures are going to warm into the 40s here through the weekend, so that snow in Charlotte is not going to stick around for very long. It'll melt pretty quickly. We got breezy conditions today in Fort Lauderdale, so that 71 degrees feels rather cool when you factor in that wind, and then when the sun sets, it really starts to feel cool, so have that jacket handy. Jackets in South Florida, that sounds like something that shouldn't happen, but it does. Temperatures tomorrow near 80, but then we're back in the 70s on Sunday, maybe approaching 80 again on Monday. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. If you can, try to have a good weekend. I'll see you back here on Monday. Remember, it's all about the mindset. As long as you want there to be, there will be a 100% chance of good things.